Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the latest travel updates in the Condor Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Travel Information button. And then click on the latest travel updates button. So as you can see, here you will find all the latest news regarding the updates and everything that you need to know on this application and the traveling conditions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.